Hello, I welcome you to this opportunity plan presentation on the Kenya marketing plan of Alliance in Motion Global. My name is Sethaimkwei. I am an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can also become an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global in Kenya, and also the basic ways of earning if you join Alliance in Motion Global. I have to say that we have been in existence for almost 12 years. We operate in many countries, including Kenya. We are registered as a network marketing company in Kenya. All our products on sale in Kenya have been certified and approved, and also we are registered by the tax authorities, and we pay our taxes on time and we pay them correctly. So we are a legal and a credible network marketing company in Kenya. To become an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global, you must follow these simple steps. 1. You must find a sponsor. A sponsor is somebody who is already an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global, under whose registration you register. The sponsor does not have to be in Kenya, neither does he have to be a Kenyan citizen before he or she can sponsor you. Anywhere anybody is in the world, as long as the person is a registered member of AIM Global, the person can sponsor you. So if you are in Kenya and you do not have a sponsor, I am ready, I am available to sponsor you, so you can also become an independent distributor with Alliance in Motion Global in Kenya. After you get a sponsor, the next thing you must do is to register. If you want to register, you have to invest. And to invest, you must purchase our global package. The cost of the global package in Kenya is 23,000 Kenyan shillings. If you make this 23,000 Kenyan shillings investment by purchasing the global package, there are several benefits that you will get, and I'm going to show you some of the benefits. The first benefit is that we give you back products of the company. There are 4 options. We have global package A, B, C, and D. You choose the one that you like. The good thing about our package is that the products in the package, the value is higher than the investment that you make. Package A, the value of the product is 27,350 shillings. The value of the products in package B is 28,650. The value of the products in package C is 27,550. And finally, the value of the products in pack D is 35,650 shillings. So you invest 23,000. If you choose the package you want, the value of the product is higher than the package, and that is what we call value for money. You get your money back with profit immediately, meaning that your registration is virtually free. The next thing you get is that you get a business kit. And the business kit will help you to be able to start presenting the business to others, because every information you need to know about the company you will find in the business kit. Information about the company, the owners, our marketing plan, our partners, the products, and other important information, you will get them in the business kit. It also has the company policy manual, which will tell you the do's and the do nots in the company. It comes with the product price list and the distributor application form to be completed by new distributors. The third thing you get is that you get a lifetime discount of 25% to 30%, or a lifetime profit of 25 to 30% on any product of the company that you buy and sell. The next thing you get is, we call it a distributor tracking center, DTC. It is your personal web page that we will create for you when you join us. In that tracking center, you can monitor your business activity and know anything you want to know about it. Your points build up, your earnings, your positions, anything you want to know about your business, you will know it in the DTC, including some activities of your downlines or team members that will join under you. You also get daily payout of your earnings. We are the only company that pay daily. Anything you do, whatever you deserve, immediately anything happens for which you must be paid something, immediately your account in our DTC is credited and you can encash. So every day you can encash money. We pay daily, not monthly. The next thing that you will also enjoy is a lifetime, one-time international registration. Lifetime because your registration never expires. You register once and it never closes. Even if for a reason you can no longer do this business, your registration does not close. It is still open and active. If you come back after 10 years, you don't even reactivate. You just start doing the business because your registration never closes for life. And it is one time because once you make the 23,000 shillings, the account with respect to which you made this investment, you will never have to make any payment again for life. And you don't even renew your registration periodically. No. And it is international because you can do business with anybody, anywhere in the world. If you get to anywhere in the world, we have an office, and you get into the office, you are treated as if you registered under that office. Why? Because we are one big global family without discrimination. That is not all you will get. You will also get the opportunity to qualify for our free travel trips to places like the USA, Europe, Asia, and the rest. Then finally, we give you free trainings. We will train you for free. In M Global, if you don't have education, experience, or skills, you are still welcome to join us. After you join us, we are going to give you free training, regular free training in our offices and also online 24/7 in our online academy called M Academy, where we are going to give you all the skills, the knowledge you will need to be able to do the business successfully. So when you make these 23,000 investments, these are the things that you get. I call it mega return on investment. You will only get these benefits in Alliance in Motion Global. After you register, the next thing you have to do is to reorder products. When you reorder products, you can either sell use or share. You can sell the product, and when you sell the product, you will make between 25% to 30% profit on the product that you sell. Let me use the example of the C24/7, which is our flagship product. The company will give it to you at the distributor price of 2,850 shillings. You are supposed to sell it not less than the suggested retail price of 3,800. The difference is 950 shillings, and this is 25% of the suggested retail price. This is what will happen for all our products that you sell. 25% minimum can go up to 30% profit. So if you like selling, then you can do selling of our products, because our products are very, very high quality and they are the best in each of the category they are in. In food supplements, we have the best in the world. In soap, we have the best in the world. In masculine and feminine wash, we have the best in the world. Just name the category. Once we have product there, it is the best. And our products are all 100% natural, 100% organic, no chemicals. And so they have no side effect. They sell very, very well. And if you like selling, you make a lot of money. But if you don't like selling, don't worry. Because in Alliance in Motion, there is no quota, no target, no otoshi. So if you don't like selling, or you don't know how to sell, or you don't want to sell, join us. You don't have to do compulsory selling. We will never ask you to come and buy any product every month. You only come and buy in case somebody says, I need this or I need that, then you buy and sell to the person. Otherwise, selling is not required. Selling is not compulsory. So you don't like selling, don't worry. Join us. We will do this business successfully, and you don't have to sell anything in the company. Then I told you that you can also reorder and use, so that you get the health benefits of our products, because it will not be proper for you to be talking to people about products that are high quality and makes people very healthy, and you yourself, you are not healthy. So you can use them so you enjoy the benefits that come with our products, or you can share. That is, give some to people as samples for them to try. When you do that, because they are high quality, a lot of them will come back to now make orders, and thereby you develop customers. And some people, if they realize they will need to use it regularly, they may even register under you so that they can also enjoy the discount that comes with buying the products. So that is the second main thing you do, that is reorder. The first main thing you do is register, then you reorder. Let's do the third thing that you have to do, and the final thing we will look at in this opportunity plan presentation, and that is you recruit. You recruit. That is, you talk to people for them to come and join the business, and when they join under you. There are some earnings you can go with recruitment. The first one is called direct referral bonus. This says that anytime you talk to anybody and the person gets interested in the business and joins under you, we give you direct referral bonus for each person that you bring, who also makes the 23,000 investment. The direct referral bonus is 1,100 shillings. So if we bring 10 people, it's 11,000 shillings And if you can bring 100 people, it is 110,000 shillings. The more people you bring, the more direct referral bonus you earn. There is no time frame. That is, we won't tell you that every month or every 3 months, try and bring this number of people. No, there's nothing like that. You do this business as your own business. So nobody tells you how you should run the business. How much you want to be paid determines what you do, but nobody will force you to do anything in this business. The next thing you earn by way of recruiting is called March sales bonus. And the March sales bonus is not only your recruiting, but the recruiting of all the people under your network. First of all, let me say that our compensation plan is binary, meaning that everybody develop 2 sales forces. To develop the 2 sales forces, the person must join at least 2 people to his account. So let's say this is you. You must join at least 2 people to you to start development of your sales forces. So you join one person to your left, and then you join another person to your right. After you do this, technically, your work as far as recruitment is concerned is done. You can bring more people, but after you get the 2 people, you can decide not to bring anybody. What you will do now is to teach these people and also help and encourage them to also get their 2 people each. Then you also teach these people to also get 2 people each, and these people will also be expected to get 2 people each. So anybody who joins will be encouraged to get at least 2 people. As that happens, you develop your team of sales forces, one on the left, the other on the right. Now the March sales bonus says that anytime anybody joins your left, then another person also joins your right, they match. And when they match, you earn the March sales bonus, which is 3,000 shillings in Kenya. So one on the left, one on the right is equal to 3,000. Don't forget this equation or formula. So when you brought the 2 people, after you join, place this one on the left. First of all, I told you that if you get somebody to join the business, we give you 1,100 as referral bonus or recruiting bonus. So we will give you here 1,100. Then here too we give you 1,100. Meaning that when you brought these 2 people, you will earn direct referral bonus of 2,200. Then when you place one on the left, the other on the right, they match. And I said that when they match, you get 3,000 shillings as March sales bonus. So you will get an additional March sales bonus of 3,000 shillings. Meaning that when you bring 2 people, place one left, one right, you will earn 5,200 shillings. And because everybody wants to get the 5,200, everybody who joins also quickly does his or her best to get the 2 people. Now, I told you that one left, one right, 3,000. Our system does not care whether you brought the people or not. Once somebody joins your left and another person joins your right, 3,000 shillings. So when this person brought the 2 and that person also brought 2, one left, one right, you get 3,000 shillings. Another one left, another one right, you get 3,000 shillings. When these people also brought the 2, you would have gotten 3,000 shillings, 3,000 shillings, 3,000 shillings, 3,000 shillings. when these people also brought the two each, 3,000 shillings, 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 3,000 shillings. And that is how it is going to continue. Anytime anybody joins your left, another person joins your right, 3,000 shillings. The next day, somebody joins your right. Then another day, another person joins your right, 3,000 shillings. That is how it's going to continue for the rest of your life. So as your team of distributors is growing, you realize that if you are patient and hardworking enough, it will get to a point you have so many people under you side that on a daily basis, many people will be joining, and you will start getting 3,000 left, right, 3,000 left, right, 3,000 left, right, 3,000 left, right on a daily basis. Sometimes you will get it several times every day. This is how we create millionaires, because very few companies have this. Most companies don't have this. That is why when people who have been in other companies hear about our opportunity, the first thing they say is, it cannot be true. How can you pay all this money? Because they can't imagine how people you don't know bring somebody left, right, 3,000 shillings, and that is how it will continue for life. They can't imagine, but we have it, and we've been paying. And for almost 12 years, not even on a single day has the company said we don't have money to pay. We've been paying it, and we will keep paying it. This is the AIM Global advantage. So join us and let's earn 3,000 left, right, 3,000 left, right for life. This is how we will help you to become a millionaire quickly and very, very fast. But you will realize that anytime anybody joins left, right, as many people that will get matches as people join, they will all be paid. So when these people join, for example, you realize that for this person, one left, one right, at this level, all of them will have one left, one right, one left, one right. So they will all be paid one match. When you go up one level, these people now, you realize that they will have two left, two right. So they will get two matches. At this level, they will have four left, four right. They will get four matches. And you are going to get 8 left, 8 right, 8 matches. If we are not careful, very soon, all the money will go into this kind of payment and the company will collapse. Therefore, we have a ceiling. Nobody can enjoy this match sales bonus more than 16 times per day. Not a week, not a month, a day. Every day you can enjoy left, right, 3,000 up to 16 times. So 3 times 16, 3,000 times 16 times, meaning that every day the maximum you can get is 48,000 shillings. In a week, the maximum you can get is 336,000 shillings, and in a month, the maximum you can get is 1,440,000 shillings. But I have to say that you don't get this immediately you start. You don't start today. People ask me, so if I join today, then the following day I start getting 48,000 every day. The answer is a big no. You will only get it the day you start if you are able to get 16 people to join your left and 16 people to join your right. But with time, patience, and hard work, if you build your team and teach your people under you to also learn how to bring people, and more people are joining, eventually you will hit this level. But the good news is that once you hit this level, it continues for life. So the difficulty is in the beginning, where you will not start hitting this level. But if you can stay with us and with training and hard work, build your team after a few months or maybe a few years, and you hit the level, it will continue for life. I have to say that you will realize that I have given you 3 ways of earning with Alliance in Motion Global by now. And those are the retail profit from selling our products. Then I spoke about the direct referral bonus for bringing people in. And I have just spoken about the match sales bonus that you get when people join left and right. There are actually 5 other ways of earning, meaning that in Alliance in Motion, there are 8 ways of earning, and you will enjoy all at the same time, depending upon your work. So, the potential I showed you, the maximum a day is only with respect to this bonus. You could be earning from the others in addition. So your maximum potential is much higher than that, because that is only 1 out of 8 ways of earning. These first 3 that I have spoken about, and they are the only ones I will explain in this presentation, they are earned on a daily basis, and they are the basic ways of earning. That's why I've spoken about them. The 4th way of earning is called the uni-level bonus. The 5th way is called the overriding step commission. The 6th way is called GA Max 10. The 7th way is called flow back points. These 4 ways of earnings are earned on a monthly basis. The final way of earning is profit sharing, and that is earned on a yearly basis. So these are the main, all the 8 ways of earning in Alliance in Motion Global. So far, the presentation that I have done has been based on the fact that anybody who is joining the business is going to invest 23,000 Kenya shillings. However, we've realized that for some categories of people like students, unemployed people, or low-income earning employees, they may not be able to afford this 23,000 investment. But in AIM Global, we believe that everybody in Kenya must be given the opportunity to become rich. Therefore, we have come up with a smaller package, which we call the associate package. And the associate package goes for 12,800 shillings. So you can't afford 23,000, which is the global package. Go for the associate package, which is 12,800. The products in that one cost 16,100 shillings. So you invest 12,800. The products we give you is valued at 16,100 shillings. If somebody joins you by making this investment, the direct referral bonus is 800 shillings. Instead of the earlier one, I said 1,100. And then if somebody joins your left, another person joins your right, and they both invest 12,800, the match sales bonus is 1,500 shillings instead of the 3,000 shillings that if they both invest 23,000 you get. So this is the main difference between the earnings from the associate package and the global package. So if you can't go for 23,000, go for 12,800. We are doing everything possible to ensure that everybody in Kenya can join us and also become rich, because our tagline is turning ordinary people into extraordinary millionaires. And anybody who has joined us and has followed our system, as I have explained it to you, has become an extraordinary millionaire. So you are welcome if you are in Kenya. Join us. We are legitimate, we are credible, and we will help you become financially free, enjoy time freedom, and realize all the dreams and give your family the life that they deserve. So if you don't have a sponsor, contact me. I am going to be your sponsor and I will help you to join. And after you join, we are going to give you the necessary training so that you can also become a recruiting and a network marketing professional. You can get me on WhatsApp, Imo, or Viber at +233 264 605 216. You can also get me on Facebook Messenger at m.me/sethaimkwei, one word for sethaimkwei. You can also add me and be my friend on Facebook at facebook.com/sethaimkwei. And I am also on WeChat. My WeChat ID is also sethaimkwei. sethaimkwei, one word. So get in touch with me. Let me help you to help yourself to become financially free and a millionaire in Alliance in Motion Global. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global, where we turn ordinary people into extraordinary multi-millionaires. Happy Business Day.